Hey folks, for this week's Desire to Learn tip, I wanted to show you another way that you can connect with and collaborate with your groups using a function, a Desire to Learn function called Wiggio. Now you may have noticed this at the top of your screens when you log into the course. This funny little word here, Wiggio. I'm just going to click on that, and I have created groups for every group that we have this semester, and I will be inviting you to those groups. You will notice here on the left all of the groups that you have been invited to. You might only see one, but whatever the case, you'll need to just click on the group. You'll be able to see different ways that you can converse with the group. You can share files with each other, add files. You can just drag and drop them here, or you can upload them, different things like that. If you want to add a file, you can share a link with your group members, adding just a link, put the URL here. You can type in a comment. You can put the title. Here is a link, and then a description of what the link is. That might be a useful thing that you can share different resources with each other. You can schedule a meeting. It can be in person if you are together in a place where you can meet. It could be a conference call using your phones. It could be a virtual meeting using other means. The chat room function in Wiggio doesn't really work, so unfortunately you may not be able to use that. But whatever the case, these other options are available. You can make a to-do list, create a to-do list of different things that need to be done within your group, add comments on that. You can do a poll. You can create a poll and ask for your group members feedback on different things. You could also just type a message to each other. Here is my message. And then just share a message. You can converse back and forth this way. You can either do a text message or a video message. When you click on video message, it will pull up a thing. It will ask you if it wants to access your camera and microphone. Allow that, and it should, if you have a camera attached, I do not, it will pull that up and you can leave a video message for your group. Otherwise, you can just use the text. And you can also create a different event. This will be added to your Wiggio calendar. This will be, this would be a different way to schedule meetings, place due dates on here, whatever. So these are different things that you can do with Wiggio just to interact with your group. You could have some text messages, or you could just message each other from within Wiggio. Now you don't have to use Wiggio, but if you do decide to use it as a group, just do some experimenting to see what different things you could get use out of using Wiggio. Now, if you want to change your notification preferences, you don't want to receive everything by email. That's how I set it up by default. You can change it to notify yourself by text message. You can get a daily summary or just a digest of the previous day's posts. It can be sent to your email and different things like that. So I will be adding each of your group members to these different groups, so you'll have access to this group collaboration tool in Desire to Learn. I'm interested, if you're interested in using it, I'm interested in how useful it is for you. It could be an exciting thing for you to use. It could be useful as you collaborate, try to collaborate in real time. Just a different way that you can try to connect with and collaborate with the other members of your group. If you have any questions about anything in this, please do feel free to let me know. You might need a password to access the site. If you do, I will be sending the password along in my email. So just pay attention to that. It's the same for all groups, so you'll just be able to type that in and access this connection tool. Hopefully it's useful for you.